Hey guys, it's Luke from QC3D. Hey, I'm back with another quick little video here. I'm down in the shop doing a couple prototype prints on some new things I'm making. But what I wanted to quickly do here is post a video on something I struggled with when I started selling on online. So shipping, packaging, things like that. This one's just more shipping, packaging, more packaging side of things, and the cost of packaging and shipping out. I will do some more specific videos coming on selling on Facebook, selling on Etsy, selling on eBay. Those will be coming soon. But hey, let's talk about shipping. So I've got a few items that I ship out and sell, and to do that, you could well, use boxes that you already have. So that's okay, but when you're selling items for gifts on Etsy, as I do, that's kind of shady. There's labels already on there, Amazon tapes already on there, so I don't recommend it for things like that. If I'm doing parts for a specific person that has called me up, it's a buddy of mine, yeah, whatever box is okay. But I order boxes bulk. It doesn't look like it, but that stack is about gone. I have some other stacks of different sizes here. I get other little bit bigger boxes, so depending on what I'm selling. And I get lots of bubble mailers, different sizes. What I also have here is some priority mail boxes. I got a lot more of these stashed away, and priority mail labelers. That's what I carry, and got an order of 100 more of these boxes coming, my most popular. I've gone through over 100 of those just in the month of December, so another 100 packs coming. They'll probably last me a couple months as the Christmas rush is over. But those boxes cost money. I started buying those at 25 at a time, and the rate was ridiculous. It was almost $1 a box when I bought them. So then I bought them at 50 quantity, and I was getting them about 50 cents per box, which was still ridiculous. That cuts into the cost of your items. Now I'm buying them at 100 at a time, which is still a little ridiculous, but I got that down to about 40 cents, hoping to get that lower as things are moving again here quicker. So I get my own boxes to ship things. They look nice, they're clean, they don't have markings and labels and things on them, so they got to look good going out. Padded mailers. The padded mailers, I get those in white or black. There is so many colors available. If your company, your business has a special color in the logo, whatever, and you want to match it, cool, do that. But these are very inexpensive. Again, I buy these at a quantity of 100 at a time, and it brings the cost down. I mean, they're 20 cents each, which, still cuts into your costs. So, get those things that look nice. What I also unfortunately had to buy when I was shipping a lot is bubble wrap. I bought some big rolls of bubble wrap. That stuff is really expensive. I don't know why. It's just thin plastic with air in it. It must be special air. I don't know. But that is what you're going to save money on if you save packaging from other stuff you buy. So I highly recommend just saving. That's the box below here is packaging from other things that I save to ship out, because that's going to save me money. The next thing that I have for shipping, we're going to zoom up here, is my Rollo printer. I've Googled for months which printer to get, and these were probably the most popular. They weren't the cheapest by any means, but I love it. The thing's solid, and it just does what it does, and it's good at it. Before this, I was printing out my labels on paper, on a regular printer, home printer, that took toner, and toner was expensive. I was wasting time cutting out all the labels. I was wasting toner, wasting paper for each thing. I got this label maker. You can adjust Etsy, eBay, Facebook to ship on a 4x6 label. You get a stack of these labels or rolls. You can get either way. And yeah, there's cost to a label. It's not much, but the time that this saves you is incredible. So keep that in mind. No toner. It does a heat imprint on the paper. I don't know that kind of magic. I only know 3D printer magic. But yeah, that's awesome. Tape. So I get, let's get through here, shipping tape. Get shipping tape. Got some other tips for that here. I also got a little small tape dispenser for things. So, hey, before you call it out on me in the comments, that's a box of glue. I told you in previous prints I don't use glue to get things to stick to the bed. I still haven't used that at all. Actually, got this case of glue for my wife's Cricut stuff, and I had to buy it by the case of 30. So that's why that's here. I actually may try that on a glass Creality bed, because these things, they are horrible. I haven't used it yet, but hey, it may help. I have lost 1 or 2 tall prints. When they got too tall, they kind of then tipped. So I may try that. Back to shipping things. So there's a cost to bubble wrap. There's a cost to boxes. There's a cost to labels. There's a cost for your time to take your items, wrap them in that bubble wrap, put them in a box, and ship those out. Keep that all in mind. Consider that in your cost. I do, especially when I sell small items. I have some very small items. Keep that in your cost, and you want to make money off that so you can purchase more, so keep that in mind. Keep things in stock. I've ran out of boxes over December and was cleaning up boxes the best I could for Amazon boxes, ripping the tape off, putting my own tape on it just to get things shipped out. But oh man, that looks shady. Cool. So next, let me show you how I ship things that I send out. So I got a box. I got one of my 8x6x4 boxes. When I first get it, what I used to do is put like 3 different runs of tape here on the bottom. What I found, I was going through rolls of tape so fast. This seam is really only the spot you need to tape up. So I now just do one quick zip over there, because once I finally seal this, I do go the whole way around, and then I stop it. I stop the end of the tape and cut it underneath where the label will go. And that's good. That's good. So I wasted so much tape, and that's something I've learned, because that costs money too. Usually what I do to package an item, I rip off a piece of my bubble wrap, not too much, just enough to cover the item and a little extra fluff so it doesn't move in the box too much. I'll grab one of my 3D print items here. Here's one of my hair dryers. These things have been selling. I lowered the price a little here after the holidays to get them moving. A lot of people have been watching and liking these hair dryers, so let's lower the price and get them moving. All I do is just kind of wrap it around once and a half, whatever that was. I don't put it tight. I don't put tape on it, and just set it in the box. As you can see, it really doesn't move back and forth in here. I mean, a little bit, but it's a light plastic item. The last thing I do, so before I seal this up, I got from Vistaprint business cards. Well, my logo, my web address, my email, what I do, and hey, there's a 10% off of your next Etsy order. Throw that in the box. So when they get this, if they were ever thinking of getting more or anything else, hey, they get a discount. Entices them to come back and get more. They know who you are. If they've got another need, maybe they have that card. It looks pretty. tips on Vistaprint. Vistaprint, I've been using them for years. Before doing this 3D print stuff, I had my own business for about 9 years in technology and security and things I was into, and always used and bought from them. What I've learned by buying from Vistaprint many times, purchase 250 cards. It's not much. I think that's your smallest order size maybe, or 100 cards, something like that. Choose the least amount. And then go to checkout and pay and check out. They charge you shipping costs and everything unless they have a promotion going on. But once you check out, one of the neat things that Vistaprint does is they email you right afterwards, or a message pops up right after checkout and says, hey, and a little timer starting. It says, get 250 more, or get 500 or 1,000 cards more now for this low price. So it's a way to entice you back in if you didn't pull the trigger earlier. I just purposely do that. It's always there. And I always get additional cards for less money. So, yeah, I'm going to ship this up, or pack this up here. But before I do, well, I'm not going to do it while holding my phone, but now I'll wrap the whole way around the box, come back around, and I'll break that off here right in the middle and put the label over it. Less tape. That's it. That's how I ship my boxes out. All of my prints, if I'm selling a single one, they're light enough that I can fit into the under a half a pound category on shipping, which is usually under $4 to go anywhere in the United States. So I just plan on $4 shipping. If I got to go, so I'm in East Coast, I'm in Pennsylvania. If I got to ship something to California, that's usually the most, and it may be a couple cents over $4 for me. The prices have gone up in 2022, so probably getting closer to $5. So always keep that in mind. If I do have multiple sales, so one thing I do is I put all of my items for free shipping that I sell online. I consider that shipping cost in with the sale, and they get more sales that way because people say, hey, I don't got to pay for shipping. They help them pull the trigger on that, buy that item. Selling one item, I get, it seems like I may not make that money. I do. But when I sell 2 items, they're going to be paying that same flat rate price that has shipping included. So that extra $4 that I need if I was selling 2 items, well, it goes to my pocket. So offering free shipping, another selling tip. There you go. Doing the free shipping can benefit you on multiple item sales. So sticking with items in the same genre that you sell can help if they buy multiple things, or offering in your sales. So you can do some options, and we'll go through this in a later video. Offer multiple items that they can purchase and maybe a discount on those multiple items. So like I said, you can make that extra $4 profit now when somebody buys 2 items. So maybe you can say, if you buy 2 items from me, you'll save $2. And really what you're doing is making more money. So a couple things to keep in mind when shipping out. I think that's all I got, but we'll dig more. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my videos, and give you a lot of buying, selling 3D print content here coming on YouTube. So thank you much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.